10 steps to creating a YouTube video. Number 1. Creating a market niche for your target audience.
Before you start your YouTube channel for yourself, research your competitors, the size of the market, and how much of that market might be available to you. If you have no competitors, and the demand seems high, your channel concept will have a great potential.
Number 2. Determine the style of your presentations.
Create a presentation scenarios based on your presentation size and audience. Choose the appropriate style, either casual, formal, interactive, animated, corporate, and explainer for your video presentation.
Number 3. Creating a storyboard and script.
When you storyboard a video, you are creating a plan for production, the shots you will need, the order in which they will appear, and how the visuals will interact with the script.
Number 4. Record your voiceover.
Just make sure that each word is understandable and speak clearly. Make sure that you are not speaking so quickly that words slur together, nor so slowly that you will put the listener to sleep.
Number 5. Creating a movie-type presentations.
The purpose of creating a movie presentations is to promote understanding of an idea that are often used to provide people with information about a concept that puts words into action.
Number 6. Align objects and voiceover to timeline.
Keeping your sound in sync with your footage is critical. You have to learn about how the timeline works so you can set exact object timing when coordinating a voiceover.
Number 7. Collaborate.
Bring all the necessary materials needed and combine them to finalize your video.
Number 8. Exporting your video.
You can upload your finished video directly to your YouTube channel in MP4 format, or you can save it first in your USB device before uploading the video.
Number 9. Share.
Share your videos to other social media's platform. This will integrate your YouTube channel to drive traffic.
Number 10. Have fun.
As long as you like and enjoy the concepts you come up with, your viewers will sense your sincerity and love for your craft, and this will help pique their interest. While you're at it, take every opportunity to improve and evolve in other areas.
Thanks for watching.